Hello there, it's Haley with the Maltempo report. Got a little bit of deja vu going on. In fact, these are the only two areas of interest at the moment. This low chance per the JTWC, and also a low chance per the JTWC on this area over here. So apparently it's over out in this type of area and this type of area. So let's take a look at the models. First is the ECMWF, which tends to be more accurate and also goes in a 12-hour view. So what we're watching is this area here. So the ECMWF does show something kind of generating there. Also shows what might be, I'm presuming, a extra tropical cyclone generating out in there, since it doesn't have like the strong winds towards the core, and it looks probably far too south to have what the sea surface temperatures to support a actual tropical cyclone out there. So that's probably an extra tropical cyclone. So this ECMWF shows something pretty fairly potent, possibly developing and moving along that way. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is in 3-hour increments. So the GFS similarly is going to show something developing, but it's showing it kind of hanging out around the coastline. And then this thing, it also shows developing, and that actually looks like it starts maybe a little bit farther north, so maybe that one would actually be a tropical cyclone whenever it does show up. There you go. There it is. See, it starts north enough that that may well be an official tropical cyclone, at least for time. So ECMWF shows I would say, a much more potent storm showing up here and then kind of staying out here, whereas the GFS shows it kind of hanging out towards the coastline. So this is just an example, couple of examples of what some of the weather models are saying. Again, ECMWF on that one, GFS, the global forecast system, on that one. So that's what that is what could potentially happen with these areas, maybe, but that's still a little bit far out at the time. In US severe thunderstorm weather, there's absolutely nothing going on, as it should be in the middle of winter, yes. Green and predicted to stay green for the next few days. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.